Brooks Ghost versus HOKA Bondi. I wore both every day for 3 months, and the winner honestly surprised me. If you're choosing between these two shoes, this video will save you $180 and weeks of knee pain. Today, I'm giving you the complete comparison. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which shoe is right for your knees, your feet, and your budget. All the links are in the description with current pricing. Let's start with the basics. Then I'll tell you which one won. Side-by-side specs. Let me give you the quick specs so we're all on the same page. Brooks Ghost. Price $140 to $150. Weight 9.8 ounces, men's size 9. Drop 12 millimeters, heel to toe. Cushioning DNA LOFT foam. Support neutral, no motion control. Best for everyday walking, light jogging. HOKA Bondi, price $165 to $180. Weight 10.7 ounces, men's size 9. Drop 4 millimeters, heel to toe. Cushioning maximum, thickest midsole on market. Support neutral with Meta Rocker. Best for maximum cushioning, severe knee pain. Quick takeaways from the specs. The Brooks Ghost is lighter, cheaper, and has a higher heel drop, which some people prefer. The HOKA Bondi is heavier, more expensive, and has way more cushioning, like almost double the foam. Both are neutral shoes, meaning they don't have motion control features. If you overpronate badly, you might need different shoes. Now let's talk about what these specs actually mean when you're wearing them. First impressions and look. First impressions matter, so let's talk about how these shoes look and feel right out of the box. Brooks Ghost, normal-looking running shoe. Sleek, streamlined, comes in lots of colors. You can wear these with jeans, athletic wear, whatever. They look like regular shoes. Nobody's gonna stare at your feet. When you first put them on, they feel normal, comfortable, but not dramatically different from other good running shoes. The cushioning is noticeable, but not extreme. HOKA Bondi, these look weird. Let's just be honest. They're chunky. The sole is massive, like you're wearing platform shoes. When I first wore these in public, I got comments. What are those? My wife said I looked like I was wearing moon boots. But when you put them on, oh man, it's like stepping on a cloud. The amount of cushioning is immediately obvious. Your feet just sink into the foam. The look winner, Brooks Ghost. No question. If you care about looking normal, Brooks wins. The comfort winner, HOKA Bondi. The cushioning is on another level. Here's my take. If you're shopping for walking shoes for knee pain, you probably care more about your knees than looking fashionable. But I'm just putting it out there. The HOKAs definitely look more orthopedic. Cushioning and comfort comparison. Okay, let's talk about the most important factor, cushioning and overall comfort. This is where things get interesting. Brooks Ghost. The DNA LOFT foam is really good. It's soft, but responsive. When your foot hits the ground, you feel cushioned, but you also feel the ground. There's feedback. The cushioning adapts to your stride. Firmer when you push off, softer when you land. After wearing these all day, my feet feel good. Not amazing, but good. They don't hurt, I don't have hot spots, my knees feel okay. HOKA Bondi, this is maximum cushioning. The midsole is almost 2 inches thick in some spots. When you step, you sink into the foam. It's like walking on a soft mattress. The crazy thing, despite all that softness, you don't feel unstable. The Meta Rocker design, that curved sole, helps you roll through your stride smoothly. After wearing these all day, my feet and knees feel significantly better. The impact absorption is incredible. But here's the trade-off. The Brooks Ghost feels more normal. You have ground feel. You can sense the surface you're walking on. Some people prefer this. It feels more natural. The HOKA Bondi removes almost all impact. You could walk on concrete for hours and your joints barely feel it. But some people feel disconnected from the ground, like you're walking on pillows. My experience with knee pain, Brooks Ghost reduced my knee pain by about 50 to 60%. HOKA Bondi reduced my knee pain by about 70 to 80%. Both work. The HOKA just works better for serious knee pain. Cushioning winner, HOKA Bondi, no contest. If maximum cushioning is your priority, HOKA wins. Different activities comparison. Let me break down how each shoe performs for different activities. For daily walking, Brooks Ghost, excellent. Natural feel, good energy return. HOKA Bondi, excellent. Superior cushioning, less fatigue. Winner, tie, but HOKA if you walk long distances. For standing all day, Brooks Ghost, good. Feet get a bit tired after 6+ hours. HOKA Bondi, outstanding. Could stand 10+ hours comfortably. Winner, HOKA Bondi. For going up and down stairs, Brooks Ghost, better, more ground feel, easier to navigate stairs. HOKA Bondi, good, but feels bulk the thick sole takes getting used to. Winner, Brooks Ghost. For walking on uneven surfaces, trails, grass, gravel, Brooks Ghost. Better, more stable, better ground feel. HOKA Bondi, okay, but less stable on uneven terrain. Winner, Brooks Ghost. For treadmill or smooth surfaces, Brooks Ghost, excellent. HOKA Bondi, excellent. Winner, HOKA for pure cushioning. For travel, airports, walking tours, Brooks Ghost. Lighter, packs easier. HOKA Bondi, better for all-day comfort despite bulk. Winner, HOKA if comfort matters most, Brooks if packing light. Overall activity winner, Brooks Ghost is more versatile. HOKA is better for specific high-impact activities. All right, let's cut to the chase. Which shoe is right for you? Buy the Brooks Ghost if your knee pain is mild to moderate, not severe, you want a versatile shoe for different activities, you care about the shoe looking normal, you need better stability and ground feel, you have good balance, your budget is under $150, you walk on varied terrain, sidewalks, trails, grass, you're lighter weight, under 200 pounds, you want a traditional running shoe feel. Buy the HOKA Bondi if your knee pain is moderate to severe, maximum cushioning is your #1 priority, you walk mostly on hard surfaces, concrete, pavement, you stand for long periods, you weigh over 200 pounds, more cushioning helps, you don't care about looking normal, you're willing to pay $165 to $180 for superior cushioning, you have arthritis or severe joint issues, impact absorption is more important than ground feel. I wear the Brooks Ghost for quick errands, walking the dog, variable terrain, when I want lighter shoes. I wear the HOKA Bondi for long walks over 2 miles, days when my knees are extra achy, standing for extended periods, walking on concrete or pavement. If I could only keep one, the HOKA Bondi. My knees feel significantly better in these, and at 67, my knee health is more important than looking stylish or saving $30. Price and value comparison. Let's talk money. Brooks Ghost. Regular price $140 to $150. Often on sale $100 to $130. Best value, buy last year's color for $90 to $110. HOKA Bondi. Regular price $165 to $180. Rarely on sale, popular shoe. Best value, sign up for HOKA emails for occasional 15% off. The value question. Is the HOKA worth the extra $30 to $40? If you have severe knee pain, yes, 100%. The extra cushioning justifies the cost. If you have mild knee pain, maybe not. The Brooks gives you 80% of the benefit for 75% of the cost. If you're on a tight budget, Brooks Ghost, especially if you can find it on sale. If budget isn't a concern, HOKA Bondi. Your knees will thank you. My value assessment. Both shoes are worth their price. You're not getting ripped off either way. The HOKA costs more because there's literally more shoe, more materials, more cushioning, more durability. Links to both shoes are in the description with current pricing and any discount codes I can find. Which shoe is better? The honest truth, it depends on what you need. For most seniors with knee pain, I recommend the HOKA Bondi. Here's why. If you're watching videos about walking shoes for knee pain, your knees are probably bothering you pretty badly. The HOKA's superior cushioning makes a real noticeable difference. Is it worth the extra $30 to $40? For your knee health, absolutely. But the Brooks Ghost is an excellent shoe and might be better for you if your knee pain is manageable, you need more versatility, you want a more traditional shoe, budget is tight. My personal verdict, after 3 months of testing, I reach for the HOKA Bondi 70% of the time. When my knees hurt, when I'm walking on concrete, when I'm going to be on my feet for hours, HOKA Bondi. But I'm glad I have both. The Brooks fills a role the HOKA doesn't. Lighter weight, better for quick trips, more stable on uneven ground. If you can buy one, get the HOKA Bondi. Your knees will feel the difference. If you can afford both, get both and rotate. Your feet and knees will benefit from varying the support and cushioning. Bottom line, you can't go wrong with either shoe. Both are excellent. The HOKA is just more specialized for serious knee pain and maximum cushioning. Subscribe and hit that notification bell because next week I'm comparing the HOKA Bondi to the Asics Gel Nimbus, another maximum cushioning showdown. Thanks for watching, take care of those knees, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong and pain-free.